Hi guys, welcome. So in this PHP Superglobal Variable series, previously we have seen first Superglobal server. Now it's time we should see our second most important Superglobal variable, that is cookie. Cookie is something that gave user result by its previous track. We use cookie all the time on the web. For example, facebook.com for instance. If you log into the Facebook and then enter your password, your browser will ask you to save a password. When you click on the save password, you will be saved instantly. And on the next time you log into the facebook.com, you will don't have to enter your password again because you already saved your password previously by the help of cookie. You've seen this type of pop-up where website is ask you to accept the cookies. Okay, website also creates session, store session ID in their database. So cookie is like if you request some web page to server, it will process your request and send you a web page according to your request. So while sending response to your request, it also gave you an opportunity to save your content in the form of the cookie. You request for a facebook.com, for instance, by giving your email ID and password. Facebook script is going to process your request and will send a cookie to your browser that will going to help you next time when you want to use facebook.com. And most important, cookies always save on a client side. They will save in your browser, that means in your hard drive. So how the cookie work and how to create a cookie with the help of PHP we will look. So jump to the notepad. For setting a cookie you need three things. First we will be name of the cookie. Second will be content of your cookie according to your name, and third will be time. How much time you want to store your cookie on your browser. So for setting a cookie in PHP you need set cookie function, and this will require three parameters. Name of your cookie. Suppose I want to save a preference of user. So preference is the name of cookie. Content. Suppose user selected second preference. And next will be time. Time for cookie in second. It is little bit tricky to save time for cookie in seconds, but you can set with the help of PHP time function. Okay, so expire time, declare a variable expire time. So PHP time function, suppose I am echoing this. This variable, commenting this for now. So the time is shown in the form of random numbers. Okay, you can see this number is reload and change each time because time is shown us in the form of second. So you can get your current time with the help of PHP time function. Okay, so move back to the set cookie function. So if I want to say set a cookie for 1 day, that's why we need some calculation. So 1 minute have 60 second, 1 hour have 60 minute. For save this cookie for 1 day, that's why into 24. So 86400. So for in time function I have plus this 86400 value. This means if for 1 day. So in set cookie function, the third parameter I want to pass is expire time. For echoing the cookie, the user preference is we need dollar underscore cookie and the name of cookie. In our case, preference is the name of cookie. So save, and if I refresh this, you can see the user preference is second preference because we save the second preference as a cookie content. Okay, for that's it for setting cookie. I can also show where this cookie is saved on your browser. So in Chrome, options, privacy and security, and cookie and site data, manage data. Here you can see that localhost have one cookie. So unsetting a cookie, there is no PHP function to unset cookie. You can do with your own PHP logic. Instead of removing cookie directly from your computer, now I'm gonna show you how you can do with the help of PHP. Okay, so for unsetting a cookie, I can show you 3 ways how you can unset your cookie. The first way is to set up a cookie with expiration time to be negative. So yeah, I'm gonna declare one variable, the expire time unset with negative value. So and pass this variable to set cookie function. This unset expiration time to set cookie function. Then check with condition if is set of Superglobal cookie with the name preference user have display simple message user have this second preference, else cookie is not set. First of all, we need to set the cookie. So refresh. Now you can see that we can set the cookie. And if you want to reset, I'm uncommenting this line with the negative expiration time. So refresh once again here. First of all, I need to browse that page and then refresh. Then you can see that cookie is not set. So this is one method. Second one is I'm gonna copy this, and second method is setting the second argument of setCookie function to be null. So we need first of all set the cookie. Okay, we set cookie, then refresh, and first I need to browse this page. So I have set the cookie. If I again refresh this page, so cookie is successfully unset. The third method is the second parameter will be blank, and this third parameter is the expiration unset time. So save that is and refresh again. Here you can see that cookie is not set. Here is the most important thing of this lecture is setting or unsetting cookie you will do before HTML code, means in the header, because you have to see whether a user have previously saved any record in a browser. The user saved any record previously, then you don't have to execute your cookie after HTML. In case if user cookie is not set previously, then you have asked user to enter the username and password in case of login. That's why to always add cookie script in header. So I am gonna cut here and add in header this PHP cookie script, always add in header. So thank you guys, that is it for cookie concept, and I am surely catch you up in the next one.